Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I'm looking at a few different brands to unbox. I've got a Racing Champions 50th anniversary NASCAR racing car. I've got a M2 Machines Chevrolet Impala 1958. I've got a 1948 Tucker Torpedo by Johnny Lightning. Then I've got a 1994 Toyota Supra from Auto World. And the last one I have is a 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger by Auto World as well. I might just try and start off with the NASCAR car from Racing Champions, because that's like the odd one out. Everything else is carded, but that one's got a blister packaging. So if you're new to the channel, I normally take a closer look at all the detailing and color scheme and everything else. Then I'll pop them on the turntable to give you guys a 360 view. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, guys. I'm going to start unboxing now. Okay, this one is from 1998. Apparently it's got a opening hood, detailed engine compartment, real rubber tires. Impressive, guys. It's also got the famous facial tissue brand Kleenex, probably the promoter of this particular vehicle, number 33. And that's probably the driver's name, Tim Fedua. All right, I'll get him out of the pack. Take a look at this, guys. They've given you a little display stand as well, with the Kleenex badge on top. Pretty impressive, guys. This one's probably been on someone's shelf or boxed up for years and years. It's a 1998 model. I'm not surprised. The paint job is pretty neat. It's got a beautiful gold color scheme. Plenty of liveries. Being a racing car, number 33, Kleenex. But the paint is a little, not really faded, but kind of dull on a few areas of the car, because of the age of the car and release by the looks of it. Still pretty neat. I picked this up for $5 from a seller at a diecast convention that I go to every 3 months. If I miss any vehicles from the usual stores, I try and find them at the diecast convention, because you're bound to find them. There's so many sellers and collectors and swaps and trading going on. But this one's quite nice, guys. My daughter quite liked it. Being a girl, she likes the gold and the shine, so I honestly just picked it up for her. And also the price, $5, you can't go wrong. Not a lot of detailing, but it's got opening hood with the engine inside. Pretty neat, guys. Quite liking it. Okay, I'm going to look at this beautiful M2 Machines 1958 Chevrolet Impala. The car comes with a small plastic base, guys. I've just managed to unscrew it, but pretty neat with the brand as well and the model. I like M2 Machines, guys. They do a lot of vintage cars, and pretty detailed. And no, I thought the hood might open up, but it doesn't. Black with plenty of chrome accents. I'm guessing that's one of the sponsors, Edelbrock. That's a beautiful Chevy, guys. Plastic base chassis, but they've given us rubber tires. The back one's a lot wider, or the rear one's a lot wider than the front ones. But overall, immaculate, guys. All right, let's look at this Johnny Lightning release, guys. They do a fair few vintage releases as well. So this one's a 1948 Tucker Torpedo. It's got some poker chips. Trivial Pursuit Classic Edition. Diecast metal body and chassis. Includes exclusive collector token and Trivial Pursuit game card. I'm loving the color on the car, guys. Beautiful cherry red. All right, let's take a closer look. I thought I'll quickly show you the back of the artwork, the card. Apparently there's 6 in this series, if anyone's interested. And that's the trivia card, guys, if, I don't know, anyone's curious or interested. Well, that's probably the answers. And that's the little token or chip that came along with it. Tucker, the man and his dream. That's the car, guys. Absolutely loving the color scheme on that one. Beautiful dark cherry red with plenty of chrome accents. Trivial Pursuit on the side. Painted headlights. No side mirrors on this one, but not complaining. It's got a beautiful back with chrome bumper. A metal base, metal chassis. I'm loving the rims and the tires, guys, on this one. It's got a nice white paint on the entire wheel of the tire. Alright, guys, let's look at the Auto World Modern Muscle. It's a 1994 Toyota Supra. JDM's in the house, guys. That's all the other releases, and this was released back in 2021. That's a good looking car, guys, but only because it's from Auto World. I'm not a big fan of the old vintage Supras. I like the newer ones with the wider body kind of sort of release. But any day, this Supra with the side mirrors looks pretty good, guys, because Hot Wheels never seem to change their mold, I guess. They don't bother doing a new tooling version of it. They always come without the side mirrors. Doesn't matter RLC, or I don't know if they've done an RLC of the Supra, but the premium models, the Boulevards or the car cultures, they always seem to miss, or even the Fast and Furious, they always seem to miss the side mirrors. I don't know how other brands can do it, like a lot of off-market brands from China, but Hot Wheels always seem to skip the side mirrors. Pretty neat, guys. Painted tail lights, reverse lights, blinkers. It's got some sort of license plate going on, chrome exhaust, beautiful black overall, painted headlights. I thought they were plastic, but yeah, they are plastic, guys. Okay, cool. Okay, down to the last one, guys. This one is a Auto World Vintage Muscle Series 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger. It's got one of my favorite purple or phantom color schemes, plenty of chrome accents. All right, let's take a closer look. Okay, Auto World decided to be a bit generous, guys. They've given us a little collector's box. Pretty neat. And that's the actual car. Very impressed with the release, guys. I know there's other brands like Mini GT or Tarmac Works that do a lot of detailing on their models, but they only focus on the newer ones. I know Mini GT's done the Lincoln Continental Capri, which is immaculate, but kudos to Johnny Lightning and Auto World. They always bring out the old vintage muscle cars and vintage cars and try and bring them out in all their glory. It's got painted headlights, license plate, engine vents. Oh yes. Oh, look at that, guys. Pretty impressive. Very happy with this model. No side mirrors, but not complaining. Plenty of chrome accents. Beautiful, beautiful purple color scheme. Painted tail lights. Bit of detailing, and it's got a license plate as well. Metal chassis, rubber tires. Simply superb, guys. Alright, guys, those are all the cars we are to look at today. We started off with the NASCAR Chevy model. We had a look at the Chevrolet Impala. We had a look at the Tucker Torpedo, a Toyota Supra JDM, and a Dodge Dart Swinger. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I'll catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys.